What's up, Internet? Jeff Gretler here. SpiceWorld 2023 is right around the corner. That's right, the biggest tech event of the year is almost here. To get you ready for this event, we have a SpiceWorld Survival Kit, a Spice Kit, if you will. These are the must-have or should-have items to make your event as enjoyable as possible. Let's dig in this kit and see what we have. All right, first up is pocket bacon. What's pocket bacon? It's exactly what it sounds like. It's bacon in your pocket. That's right, don't worry about that. That's just extra protein. But this is the stuff that's gonna help you carry all that swag you're gonna get. That's 3 days of gains right there. You need this protein. Don't forget it. Got the pocket bacon. What else do we need? Oh, yes, you definitely need this, especially after the pocket bacon. These wipes, that's right. You're on the go, it's gonna be hot. You're gonna have to do your hands, all that bacon, you're gonna do your face, whatever you need to do, but you're gonna need to keep all those hands clean for all that networking when you're pressing palms with your colleagues. Oh wait, before I go on, let me get this off. Sneakers, that's right, tennis shoes, sneakers, whatever you want to call them. Kicks, slides, you just need a thick rubber sole because you're gonna be walking miles and miles. Good opportunity to do a Fitbit challenge if you'd like. Speaking of shoes best friends, socks. You're gonna need extra socks. It's Texas, it's September, which means it's still summer technically. You know, you're gonna get, I'm guarantee you these vendors are gonna give you some socks, but it couldn't hurt to bring an extra pair of socks because if you or a loved one suffer from sweaty feet, you are going to need sunglasses, that's right. I wear my sunglasses with spice. All right, you're noticing a theme. It's kind of hot in Texas, right? So bring yourself a water bottle. That's right, there's hydration stations, water fountains. Bottles of water are gonna be at the event, but bring yourself a bottle. That way you can be sure that you're always hydrated, especially after consuming so much sodium in that pocket bacon. All right, while we're talking about hydration and dehydration, night 2 of the party, you might be dehydrated for the night before, so couldn't hurt. Keep one of these Pedialyte bottles handy. Bring that around, they got great flavors. It's like Gatorade in the express lane. Oh, yes, you definitely need your computer charger. There are plenty outlets around the convention center, but there's no worse feeling than flipping that sucker open and seeing that it's only got 20% left, so don't forget your charger. All right, let's see what else I left in this bag from last year. I don't know what I was doing with that. I don't think you need that one. Whoa, this is a throwback. Check that out. You've been in that Spice World. You probably don't need this for calculating tips. You have one on your phone to do that. Oh, yes. You will need headphones. That's right, you might have to take a call. It can be AirPods, it can be wireless, wired, whatever. Just make sure you have a good set of headphones. A notebook with pen, right? You might just text yourself a message or you'll tell your digital assistant to remind you, but will it really hurt to have a pen with a notebook to write things down? Just an idea. Oh, that's right. Leave room in your bag for swag. That's right, you're gonna get great swag. This is stuff that I just have in there from last year. You're gonna have shirts, socks, sunglasses, so leave room in your bag for swag. That is everything from my SpiceWorld 2023. Wait, there's one more. What is this? What is this? I'm not touching this. Oh my God. Look at this. They get all the internet spice shows mixed up. This is not our show. This thing is toxic. This is weaponized food. You don't need this type of spice. I'm gonna just put this over here really quick. Oh my God, that doesn't open. Whew. Anyway, well that's it. That is your SpiceWorld Survival Kit. So it's right around the corner. We will see you at SpiceWorld. We're gonna have to cut. That got in my eyes. We'll see you at SpiceWorld 2023. Does anyone have half and half?